Hey everybody. It's raining, so I gotta be a little careful, but we're gonna have a good time. What is going on, everybody? Dan, Alice, Lana, Talia, Olivia, Hadley, what's up, what's up? It's kind of sprinkling, so I don't know how much music I'm gonna be able to play, okay? But let's see what we could do. Okay, I'm just stretching, you guys. So if y'all want to stretch with me, whatever else y'all want to do. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you. You guys stream my new album. It's called I Got You by SeaJay on all streaming platforms. SeaJay, spelled just like that. Back handsprings? Yeah, I'll do back handspring tutorials, okay? We'll do other tutorials. We'll do cheers. We'll do stretches. We'll do all that good stuff, okay? I haven't been on here in a little minute. So, but yeah, stream my new album, you guys. Follow me on HeySeaJay, everything, HeySeaJay. I love y'all. Who can name that move? on, Evelyn, Lola, Lindy. I'm gonna warm up some of the prerequisites for the kicked up so I don't hurt myself. So if you're ever attempting new skills, make sure you do the fundamentals. Even if you don't know how to do them perfectly, at least just go through them real quick, get a little refresh. Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? So touch. Like handspring? Okay, I got you. Nico. Nico. Bab stunt. Okay, it's raining, y'all. My computer's getting wet. Hold on. I gotta turn off the music, y'all. I'm sorry. It's sprinkling, so I gotta. It's just you and me. The music of nature. I should do fools. I should. Honestly, I'm just gonna be real honest with you, Fran. Today's not my day. I'm having a beautiful day, but it's not the best day for me to do too many intricate skills. I'll just say that. I'm just trying to be safe, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, friend? I just came out here to have some fun with y'all. Back handspring, let's do it. I don't think I've ever done a front handspring like that before. Hold on. Yo, a team needs to put that in a routine. You got to. Cheer athletics, Brandon, okay, somebody. Nico, you might see my dog walking around. I need to get him inside. I just gave him a bath. Round off. Nico. Nico. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Nico. Nico. Can you do a full? Right now, it's not the best time, friend. You know what I'm saying? It's raining. It's unsafe environment, okay? I'm not at the best state of mind. Hold on. But I got you. I got some liquid courage. How do you do a full? I have some tutorials on my YouTube, SeaJay Stunts on YouTube. Go subscribe on YouTube. It's actually starting to rain, you guys. I'm not trying to get wet. My dog's out here loving. But I just gave him a bath. So now he's all dirty. I have to give him another bath. He loves baths. Do you like baths? Full tips. Hold on, let me breathe. Some good full tips is to bring your knees, I'm trying to breathe. Bring your knees up over the shoulder. If you're talking about standing fools, think about your knees and your butt going, you pick it up like, toss it over your shoulder. You see what I'm saying? You just gotta chuck that mug over your shoulder like a brick. Yeah, sharing good tips. Good set, good tight core. The tight core is probably like the most fundamental thing you can have in tumbling in general. Just walking, climbing, swimming, everything. Good core strength. Have really good hollow hold positions. Straight ride. Pet Nico. Where is Nico? Oh, Nico is so dirty right now. Nico is so dirty. He's having the time of his life. Round off tuck friend. I don't know if I could fit that. Okay, I got you. It's so slippery. It's wet out here. Kick double. Okay, Kiwi. I need a... Y'all, somebody pass me one of your scrunchies, okay? I need a scrunchie. My hair got caught in my armpit like this. Round off tuck. I did a round off tuck, friend. The splits? Nico. Backflip. Okay, okay. Nico, what are you doing? He is so silly. Okay, backflip. Show how to full down. Okay, I got you, I got you. So in a full down, you want to have a really good straight ride first, okay? Be able to hold that position very well. On your full down, all you're doing is squeezing your entire body so it all moves as one like type of board, just like you're in a hollow hold position. Like this. Okay. It's gonna go up. Or you go up. Okay, so your entire body, however you drop your arms, however your coach wants you to do it like that. But basically, you want your body to move as one whole unit. So arm will go up, or both arms, however. Chin goes down to armpit. These arms either come down here or to your side, however. Okay. Raise. Boom. Okay. And you just squeeze your core, your shoulders, your butt, your toes, your ankles, all that. Walla boom, walla bang, bang. And just keep practicing, Farran. You'll get it. You'll start to have more body awareness when your ankles are squeezing or when they not. You know, it's just all practice. Please round off. Full. Okay. Yeah. Yo, I'm scared. Nico, you all dirty now, baby. Look at this. Remember. Y'all, look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. He's so cute. I don't care. He can get dirty 100 times and I'll watch him 101 because that's how much I love him. And he know it. Who else got a dog or a pet or a person that y'all love just so much? You would just do anything no matter what. You toxic. I'm just playing. Okay. So, I forgot what I was doing, y'all. I think I'm gonna go inside. It's starting to rain. The trampoline is so wet. Like, I really want to flip for y'all, but I also don't want to get hurt. You know what I'm saying? How old is Nico? Nico don't age. He is Nico. I don't know. I really don't know. Every day his birthday, basically. So at this point, he's limitless. He be acting like every day his birthday. I love it though. Minus 3 months. Oh, Nico is probably like 6, 7, something like that. Yo, I found a new way to do a handspring, a front handspring. Watch it. Tell me if you like it, okay? Which one do you like better? 1 or 2? Okay. 1. Hold on. I can't mess it up. Come on now. Hold on. Or 2. 2 is a little more elegant. 2 gives me like Nastia Luke, and 1 gives me like Sean. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. I like 2 as well, actually. And it requires a little more flexibility because my shoulders kind of. You didn't see a difference? Okay, look, in 1, my arms never go up. In 1, I keep my arms below, like just kind of down, I guess you could say. On the second one, I bring my arms up over my shoulders. It could be something like that for like a routine. Oh, the cheer days. What? Nico, where you at? I got my eye on you. That's not how the song goes, is it? Can you give me tips on how to get my aerial? Yes, friend, aerials are so fun. Okay. Start barely touching the ground when you do your cartwheel and really get your chest down and your back foot up quick, okay? See? All right. And so after you start doing that, you want to bend your front leg, okay? Chest down. Back leg goes up, okay? Bend up. And this bottom leg is gonna, okay? And you gotta kind of learn how to time it right. So from the goes, okay? You'll get the, muscle memory and all that good stuff. But your arms go down, you bring them up by your hips, right? And then you just do your cartwheel. Your chest comes back up, down. You've been trying to get it for a couple months. Friend, you would get it in a couple minutes with me, okay? Now, you might need a little help, whether that's a trampoline or a coach spotting you or off of a mat. But as long as you learn the technique for it, you're gonna have it in no time, friend. Don't really get too caught up on if I landed it on my feet yet on the ground. It's progressions in life. Learn how to accept and have fun with all the progression that. And life is just gonna be a fun game for you, okay? You think about what you want, you try it out, you do it, it works, it don't. Now you know what you don't really wanna do. You keep doing what you wanna do and you have fun. Exercises for middle splits. There's a ton, friend. You can even just work on your hip flexors. Do the frog stretch. 30 seconds, not even. I take that back. The frog stretch, okay? 10 seconds, 5 times. Get in it and out of it for 10 seconds, okay? Just like this. And then get out of it. And then get back in. Okay? Just do that 5 times for 10 seconds. And I promise you, you're gonna be doing better than ever. Okay? Because when you start doing too much, it's like you progress, but then you decline a little bit, like a few percentage more than you progress. Because now you're sore all the time. You're more hard on yourself. Now, if you have a competition coming up or something like that, okay, push. Maybe you might have to push. But if it's just for your own personal gain, just be easy on yourself. Okay, take it easier and you will get quicker. You will get to where you want quicker. I'm telling you. Don't try to push your body too hard because it's gonna push back and you ain't gonna like it. Um, do a full, okay. Do you have any tips on front tuck? Yeah, I got you, friend. So do a lot of these on the trampoline, okay? Or on the tumble track. A lot of them. Those are like my favorite things to do, honestly, on the tumble track. Do a lot of those. okay, to get your body used to your butt coming up, okay, your chest down, okay, and your body like rotating like very efficiently, knowing how to get the most out of every little bounce, okay? You can bounce just a little bit and still do a spin. You wanna like really learn your body. All right, and then whenever you start to wanna land it, just stand up, keep your chest up. I bend my arms back kind of like this. And then I go up, okay? Arms go up like that. My butt comes up. All right, and then I think about front flipping over an object. That keeps me kind of like floating in the air instead of going down, like into the ground. I think about going up over a pole. And you just get your hips up over that. You spot your landing. Phew. But the trick really is the chest, okay? Start with your chest up. You're most likely to land with your chest up. If you start like that, you're probably gonna land like that. You are so welcome, Daisy. You are so welcome, Daisy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Anna. I'm just some guy that just loves to throw his body around. I appreciate the love, y'all. I appreciate the love. Nico, you ready? I know. He is so dirty at this point, you guys. Y'all want to say bye to Nico? Let me go get him. He said, I'm having so much fun in the rain. It's such a good time to get dirty right after a bath. I don't blame him. It is so nice outside. So we're gonna go take a bath. Oh, you hear that? The rain's coming. In Florida, you can hear when the rain's coming. It's like you hear like horses galloping towards you. You hear all the raindrops on everybody's house. But that's not rain. That's somebody's water hose. Anywho, we out. Much love to you and all your loved ones. Okay, have a beautiful rest of the week. I'll probably be on tomorrow. So y'all subscribe, follow me. Okay, I just dropped a mixtape. All right, you can click the link in my bio to see all of that. Follow me on all my mains. HeySeaJay, HeySeaJay. Okay, I appreciate y'all. Always remember, okay? You are a star. You are doing what is written for you. So don't let nobody else, no matter how old, young, wise, or dull they may seem, you just take what resonates with you and leave the rest with love, okay? Because everybody's operating to the best of their ability with what they know at that point, and you just passing through, gaining what you need and letting go of what you don't need. Okay, my friend? Live your life. Let your heart be your compass, okay? But don't be fooled, because the mind is a powerful tool, but don't let it be your master, okay? Because you got to deprogram some stuff that you might have picked up on along the way. That's okay, because it was probably needed at one point. But anywho, I'm gonna scoot-a-doo. Peace and love, y'all.